Good morning, dear student of class 8. You are most welcome and congratulations to you in English class. I am Tushar Kanti Mondol, Assistant Headmaster, Bhakotmari Belai Secondary School, Rampal, Bagerhat. Dear students, look at the picture on whiteboard and try to guess what the picture is about. Dear students, it is mobile boat school. Mobile boat school for the children of river gypsies. Mobile boat school is for the children of river gypsies. So, the picture is a boat school. A boy is getting down from the boat. Some students are waiting. Our today's lesson is River Gypsies in Bangladesh 2. River Gypsies in Bangladesh 2. Learning outcome. Dear student, everybody take your English for today and open your book at page 84-85. 84-85. Learning outcome. After you have studied this lesson, you will be able to read and understand texts, listen for information, ask and answer questions, write short paragraph. Dear students, look at the lesson 4. Section B. Section B, text reading. Please listen to me very attentively. I am reading the text. River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. First, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. Hence, their income is threatened. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of previous waterways has shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers in the country in dry season. Scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global climate change. The unpredictable rain and drying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Thirdly, many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. They are thinking of living permanently on land. The authority feels that river gypsies need help to survive in the mainstream population. Therefore, the government is offering voting rights, permanent housing and bank loan facilities. However, changes do not come overnight. Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They have inherited from their forefathers necessary life skills to survive in waters. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society, so the authority feels the need to bring them under formal education network. But they have no permanent living place. Gypsy children are born and brought up on roaming boats. Therefore, they cannot go to conventional schools, and hence mobile boat schools are coming up for gypsy children. Some voluntary organizations are running a special school on boats to educate river gypsy children in some areas. Dear students, look at the whiteboard vocabulary. Survive, সারভাইভ টিকে থাকা, ইনহেরিট উত্তরাধিকার সূত্রে পাওয়া, কমিউনিটি